Anyway, guys, I have not made a room tour yet since I have been back at Slippery Rock, and right now I'm gonna do it. Moved in last week, last Wednesday, and definitely excited to be back. I have already gotten a couple videos in, but wanted to make a room tour, and I do have a roommate this year, and the funny thing is I'm in the same exact room as this year. My roommate has been super awesome so far. He's not in the room right now, so I'm deciding to make the room tour right now as no matter of a fact. In fact, I'm wearing one of my 59 shirts representing 59. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. Here's like the kitchen area. The bathroom is in here. Have this grizzly bear shower curtain, which is funny. Looks like he's waving at you. Here's like the sink area. What's up, everybody? Here are my hats and stuff. This is my side of the room. I got my guitar set up. I've not put my case away. I have to update that calendar. I was planning on waiting to write on the calendar until it turns into September because August is about to end. So on Labor Day, which is September 1st this year, is when I will write on the calendar and start to update it. But anyway, here's my side of the room. Got my Steelers flag. Got this flag. Gotta represent my brother. Here's my bed. There's Canada pictures from when we went to Canmore and Banff. And just some random pictures as well. My little nephew right there. Another one of my nephew. Boo. Some more Boo. That's Flat Rock Trail, me, my brother, and cousins. Then that was my high school graduation party, that picture and that picture at 59. I have a Let's Go Pens sticker. Have another hat right there. That's the hat that I wear most of the time. Got my gaming set up and stuff and just a few extra items. I got that book in Canada, and I want to read that book over winter when it's cold outside. I also got some pickleball stuff in that bag. And a few extra things in my drawers and stuff. And then that's the view, same view as last year as well, which is a really good view, in my opinion. When it storms, you can kind of see like the storms rolling in because that way it's kind of like west, facing west. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the room. I love it. Such a cute room. Feels like home away from home. Gonna be a fun semester and a fun school year. Crazy that I'm already a junior this year. That's nuts to say, already in year 3, which is super exciting, and gonna have a fun year and a lot of fun videos and content. And hopefully I will get a lot of 33 filming buffs, fire buffs in. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss the latest of everyday Andrew videos. I don't think I've ever said litest before. I usually just say lit. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.